Hello everyone, I have something that I didn't think I was going to get for another month or so. I have the Snowtroopr Holiday Edition in front of us. It is a Walmart exclusive. As you can see, we've got the other Holiday Edition Troopers in front of us, except for the one from Amazon. I am still waiting for that. The story behind this guy is that originally I was supposed to, I pre-ordered him from Walmart, but I was actually at Walmart the other day and they had a whole shelf full of these holiday troopers, and I'll put a picture somewhere around here so you can see. Basically, it was just this guy and then a Han Solo card back, and that was all the Black Series they had. But they had like 7 or 8 of these guys, so that was awesome. Anyways, so what we're going to do today is we are going to, and I did go ahead and cancel that pre-order as well. So this is this is all I got here. But anyway, so what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and take a look at the outside of this box, which should be very similar to the other holiday troopers. And if you haven't seen those other videos, I'll put a link down in the description down below so you can watch those. It's either going to be individual ones, or I think I'm going to go ahead and just create a playlist. That way they're all together. Anyways, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and unbox him. We're going to go ahead and take a look at his articulation. Then we're going to go ahead and take some pictures, and then we'll talk about the things we learned about the figure while we were taking the pictures. So that's what we're going to do today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and at any time, feel free to subscribe. All right, so the outside of the box is going to be very similar to all the other ones. We've got our Porg over here, which is slightly different than that Porg over there. And then we can see the figure, and then we can see his cool weapon there. And then at the bottom here, it says Snowtroopr Holiday Edition, and the number is Foxtrot 1204. We go to the side, we've got our to and from in Arabesh with like a picture of the Snowtrooper there. And we've got Snowtroopr Holiday Edition. And then on the back, we've got the same thing we've got on every single one. I really wish they would have customized this just a little bit more. But it says Snowtroopr Holiday Edition. Celebrate this season with specially designed Star Wars figures from the Black Series. And then we've got a nice little ribbon in Star Wars The Black Series. So let's go ahead and unbox it. As we do on the channel, we're going to go ahead and go from the bottom just because there is less tape and it is so much easier to take the figure out. Put the box to the side just for right now. Plastic. Instructions. Or warnings, I should say, not really instructions. Cool. Figure pops right out. Awesome. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I'll be right back. All right, so you will notice that things are a little bit different here. I did add the regular Snowtrooper over there, and then we've got a Wampa as well. As I was unboxing this figure, I realized, you know what? I haven't unboxed the Snowtrooper. So I went ahead and did that video real quick, and I'll put a link to that down there. So that way we'll be able to compare the figures, see, just how they're different. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the Porg first. It's a cute little guy. Wings do move, which is good. So you're able to get him in some different poses, not just the excited phase. The legs, however, they don't. I guess they will turn, but they don't really move. So you can turn to maybe get a better position. I've been having a hard time getting him to stand up. Of course, as soon as I say that, I get him to stand up there in the background. So anyways, taking a closer look at the staff here. I think the staff is actually really awesome. I like the fact that we've got the clear blade here, and then we've got the, come on, focus. Yeah, and then we've got the grip and whatnot, and kind of candy cane-ish, so that's pretty cool. And then as far as the figure is concerned, we've got basically the same figure that we normally get with the Snowtrooper, except, they're able to skip on the paint detail, so there would normally be some detail here, but it's not there. And the backpack also would normally have it. I guess in order to, make it look like it's popping, they're not going to spend as much time on the detail. So anyways, head is able to go left and right, a little bit of up and down. Arms are able to go all the way out. I'm curious to see, yeah, we're kind of still limited, just like we are with the other figure. This is basically just a repaint. So yeah, the body does have good twist. We are going to be limited by this rubber here as far as what kind of motion you're going to be able to get him in. So it is a double jointed knee, as you can see, but we're not able to actually get it into any position where you'd be able to take advantage of the double jointed knee because of the fact that we've got that bottom jacket rubber part there. As far as coloration is concerned, I do like the boots. Those are pretty cool. I might like his boots back there a little bit better, but hey, what are we going to do? And then the backpack obviously does come off, and we just put the peg in right there. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about as far as the detail is concerned, let's go ahead and take the other Stormtrooper here, the Snowtrooper, I mean, and you'll notice that on the backpack how there's coloration in here. We're not getting it there. So that's what I'm talking about. But like I said, the figure is basically the same, just the different color. And obviously the weapon and the friend or the Porg that he comes with. All right, so let's go ahead and take some pictures of this guy. And while I'm doing that, if you have any questions down below, feel free to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and take some pictures. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed those pictures. We are getting so close to completing all 5 of the Holiday Edition's troopers. This was the Snowtroopr, of course. My only complaint is the same complaint that I have with the actual Snowtroopr himself, and that's that basically we are very limited as far as what kind of motion we could get this figure into because of the bottom cape. That being said, if it was a soft good, it probably would not look as good as it does. So I understand it, but that is my biggest complaint. I really do like this weapon, though. I think it was a great addition to everything that we've already seen thus far. Like I said, I'll go ahead and link in the description down below all the other videos and or a playlist as well, so you can watch all the videos, and that way if you have any questions about them, you can ask them. And like I said, the only video that I am missing at this point, I mean, I shouldn't say video, well, it will be a video. The only figure I'm missing at this point is the figure from Amazon, which I am waiting on, which should be here December. Hopefully, we'll see. We'll see when we end up finally getting the figure. So anyways, if you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like Star Wars The Black Series, Star Wars in general, anything that a professional geek might be interested in, like video games, home automation, going to theme parks, or anything like that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel as well. And with that, have a great day.